PuzzleBooks AI Review. Hey there, welcome to my review of PuzzleBooks AI. This is a software app which lets you create simple puzzles and flipbooks and ebooks, which you could supposedly sell on Amazon or eBay or put them on your website, use them for list building. And there's various different methods of monetizing the software of PuzzleBooks AI. We're going to dive in to look at a demo inside the members area to see the different tools you can use and the pros and cons of this overall approach. Before we dive in, just to let you know, my name is Adam from Web Traffic Toolkit. I've been earning a full-time income online for over 10 years now, working from home, which is really cool. So I've seen lots of these different software apps come and go in that time. So hopefully all that experience will help you out as you research PuzzleBooks AI Reviews. Also, if you want to discover my number one system to plug into right now for generating a realistic income online, then be sure to click the link in the video description below. Click that link below. That's my number one system. It's a complete done-for-you system, and it's a really excellent way to get going, getting traffic, and getting those realistic and consistent commissions coming in. So click the link in the video description below for that number one recommended online system. So with PuzzleBooks AI, there's a number of different tools you can use to create these puzzles and flipbooks and ebooks. Let's just take a sneak peek inside the members area to see the different modules. First of all, you can create AI flipbooks. So these are similar to ebooks, but they've got an animation where the page turns, and there's a page turning animation and a page turning sound effect, and you can often embed videos and interactive content, sometimes lead capture pages within flipbooks. So it's just a more interesting way of livening up existing ebooks you've got, or you can create these flipbooks from scratch using AI, using the built-in software here. You can actually create you an entire story, an AI storybook, using PuzzleBooks AI. You've got a number of puzzle game books where you can actually create a collection of games and puzzles, and these do quite well on sites such as the Amazon Kindle platform, eBay, and Etsy. They also reference Flipper quite a lot here, but people don't go to Flipper to buy puzzle books or ebooks. People go to Flipper to buy a business, to buy a website. So you could potentially build out a website having lots of puzzles on it, and then sell that website to an entrepreneur on Flipper. That's what it references to Flipper. Kindle, eBay, Etsy, they're more referring to selling the actual content, the puzzles, the ebooks themselves to the retail clients. So that's just to clear up that confusion. You can create maze books. So it's like a little game where people are going through a maze, but in book format. And again, these things can be done for print on demand, and people can print these. Colouring books are quite popular, even for adults, on sites like Amazon. So it's just about thinking outside the box, see what untapped, uncovered niches there are in terms of these games and books and puzzles. They can actually do quite well on some of these platforms, and a lot of people do not know about these niches, so it can be quite low competition. You've got a riddle books module. You've got an ebook cover creator, so that's a graphics editor where you can create your own ebook cover to look professional, so it stands out when people are scrolling through the thumbnails for the different books that are on offer for these different platforms. You've got a language translator, so you can write your ebooks using AI in lots of different languages. and that's a good idea because you can target different marketplaces and geographical areas using different languages, and sometimes it can be even easier to rank your content, your books, on the platforms of other languages, and you have less competition with other marketers tend to only target English, so you can do quite well with that language translator. That's quite a cool different feature as part of PuzzleBooks AI. Then you've got a number of bonuses and tutorials to help you use the software. So the things I quite like the look of is more creating puzzle books, colouring books, things that you can create a hard copy of, and maybe you do that print on demand. I think that might be the best business model. Alternatively, creating these AI flip books and maybe giving it away for free as a free list building gift to build your list and then monetize your traffic on the back end. I think having a generic website that has a couple of games and puzzles on, I think you could struggle to monetize that because it's very generic. It's not an obvious affiliate platform to link it into, such as a high-paying CPA offer. You might have to have some quite generic CPA offers and banner ads surrounding the content, and that could be quite hard to monetize. But there is a number of different monetization methods, and the main ones PuzzleBook AI recommends monetizing with is Amazon Kindle, eBay, Etsy, and Flipper if you just want to sell these puzzles, a collection of these puzzles on your own website to other people who are purchasing the website for you. So there's lots of different ways of making use of this content. It's just about getting creative and thinking outside the box in terms of how you could best monetize the content you create with PuzzleBooks AI. I think the typical beginner and newbie could struggle to really understand what to do with the content they create with this software. Someone with a bit more experience and creative thinking may be able to get better results using this app. Anyway, thanks a lot for checking out my PuzzleBooks AI review. If you want to discover my number one system to plug into right now for generating a realistic income online, then click that link below. Click the link in the video description below. That's my number one system, a complete done for you system. And it's a really excellent way to get going, getting traffic, building a list, and getting consistent commissions coming in. So click the link in the video description below for that number one recommended online system. Thanks again for checking out my PuzzleBooks AI review. All the best and speak soon.